welcome back to another Target Beauty Box unboxing video. This one is with the, which one is this? The Sunscreen Queen box. Nice sunshiny yellow card in a sky blue for a very summery feel here. I'll read you the card first. So, Sunscreen Queen. Summer, is that you? Sunnier days are right around the corner, and if you're anything like us, you prob have your beach bag ready to go. Flip-flops? Check. Straw hat? Of course. Sunnies? Duh. And can't forget the SPF, but we know finding the right sunscreen is trickier than it seems. Thankfully, we did the dirty work for you. Here are the brands we rely on to keep our skin sun-ready all season long. So, and then it has the usual try 'em out and blah 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 shit that it always has. So, I'm gonna have this aside. And we'll start digging things out. So first thing in here, I feel like I got this in a different one, was the, what is it? La Roche-Posay Antelios Melton Sunscreen Milk SPF 60, which somebody pasty like me, that's great. It'd be great if this were bigger than it is, but I mean, I guess I can at least use it for my face as a start and see how far I can get it to go. Non-greasy, fast-absorbing sunscreen for face and body is formulated with Celox Shield technology, which provides broad-spectrum UVA and UVB protection with antioxidants. FYI, dermatologist tested and recommended. Oh, I burped, I'm sorry. But yeah, it's not very big. Still. That might be one that I should probably pick up like the full size of sometime. So that is a thought. Next we have, what is this? Australian Gold Botanical Sunscreen SPF 50 Mineral Lotion. This sunscreen delivers antioxidant-rich UVA and UVB protection with a non-whitening matte finish. Hypoallergenic, reef-friendly, vegan, and cruelty-free. Good to know. Then, what's this fun guy? This is Bare Republic Mineral Shimmer Holographic Shimmer Stick, SPF 50, Diamond Dust. Ooh. Holographic sunscreen stick. Fun! Ooh. Free of chemical sunscreen actives. Water resistant for 80 minutes. Broad spectrum SPF. Holographic shimmery sunscreen made with non-nano zinc oxide and blended with sustainable light reflecting mica provides an on-the-go healthy glow. I am so intrigued. Reflect your inner sparkle with holographic shimmery radiance. Non-nano zinc oxide is blended with sustainable light-reflecting mica for a healthy go-get-em glow no matter the occasion. Good, clean fun for all life's adventures. Hashtag bear your color. That is so cool. I have never heard of anything like that before. That's badass. I'm really happy to have that. Okay, so the next thing in here is, I think it's full size. That makes it worth the cost of the box right there for this bad boy. By ROC, or ROC, Multi-Correction 5-in-1 Anti-Aging Face Moisturizer with SPF 30. 5-in-1 Daily Moisturizer is clinically proven to fight signs of aging, protect against UVA, UVB rays, and firm skin for a more youthful and radiant appearance in only 4 weeks. Improves the look of discoloration, sagging, dryness, dull tone, and wrinkles. Hexanol technology. Rendering is 84% of actual size. That's crazy. I bet this costs a lot more than $7, guys. Wow. That is so insane. That is really cool. Usually they don't send things that are full size in with these boxes, but when they do, I feel like it's Christmas. Okay, so this one's just itty bitty like that other one was. And this is CeraVe Ultra Light Moisturizing Face Lotion with Sunscreen SPF 30. Which, problem, this says SPF 30. Read this, guys. SPF 50. Nobody double checked this? Lightweight, oil-free moisturizer provides broad spectrum protection with a matte finish that won't clog pores, plus contains hyaluronic acid to retain moisture and 3 essential ceramides to help restore the skin's natural barrier. So, either way, be it 30 or 50, this is another one I feel like I should totally get the full size of sometime, but wow, that's crazy. Good to know, though. And then another one that I think is full size. I don't think this is a travel size. This bad boy right here. And this is what made this box sell out almost instantly. And I had to hunt down that page. I left it up on the tab for almost a week. And I was going back and refreshing it like every 5 minutes to see just in case it came back. I eventually did snag it that way. It happened with both of the May boxes. Then when June rolled around, it happened again with the nail polish one, and it never came back in. Apparently it's not going to, so I missed out on that one, and I'm really sad about it. I barely managed to get the other ones. I'm like, dude, when did these get so popular? But anyway, Sunbum Original Sunscreen Spray SPF 30. Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Continuous Spray Formula delivers broad spectrum protection while enriching skin with vitamin E. Again, it's like full size, I think. I'm pretty sure. I see this stuff at the store all the damn time, and I feel like this is the size of it, so I'm like, wow. I know it's more than, I think, anyway, that it's more than $7. The whole box is $7. This is why people lost their shit over this particular box, guys. Just saying, but I'm like, wow. Kind of feel like I hit the jackpot with the contents of this one, you know? I feel like a very, very lucky girl. So, very happy to have all of these, and as I use them, I will, of course, review like I do with everything else. Who knows how long it'll take me to do it, but I mean, you know, I'll eventually get to them. So, anyways, that is it for this one. So, as usual, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, bye-bye.